Hey, this is a video for Diffusion.2, so go ahead and check out the essential vocabulary, set up your guided notes, and look at the aim. Describe how energy is used to move molecules. So active transport is the movement of particles from low concentration to high concentration. We are going against the concentration gradient, and this requires ATP, or energy. Now, there's a whole bunch of imagery down here in this model. One thing you should know is this is the phospholipid bilayer of the cell membrane. Great. It's this fancy way of saying you got areas, there's two layers of it. You have phosphates, you have lipids, you have hydrophobic, hydrophilic. Some areas like water, some areas don't like water. There's a whole bunch of extra stuff in there. You don't have to know to answer these questions that we're going to see today. But what you do have to know is you have to look at the concentration of sodium and look at the concentration of sodium there. This represents inside the cell. This represents outside of the cell. Here we're going from low to high. Now you need a molecule of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Now is ATP the same thing as energy? No. ATP and energy, electricity, heat, all of that stuff, all of those are different forms of energy, but ATP has energy in it. It is an energy-rich molecule, and I'll give you the definition in a moment. But ATP has these chemical bonds, and chemical bonds are where we find the energy in molecules. So when we take this ATP and we convert it to ADP, notice there are 3 here, and here there's only 2. When I get rid of one of these phosphates, I break that chemical bond, I am releasing a lot of energy. And that allows me to move this sodium from a low concentration to a high concentration. Again, converting ATP to ADP releases a lot of energy. Do you have to know all of that? No, you don't. But what you should know is that ATP has energy in the molecule or in the bonds. Now ATP, it is an organic molecule that provides energy for all cellular processes. It's organic because you have carbon and hydrogen. You have these black circles and you have these white circles. It is adenosine triphosphate. That's the chemical name of it. Triphosphate because there are 3 phosphates. So where does the energy in ATP come from? Indicate that in your notes. Now what I would like you to do is complete the check for understanding by responding to the aim. Describe how energy is used to move molecules. And then complete practice problem set 2. I hope that this video is informative. I thank you for your attention, and I will see you soon.